everybody, welcome into another Vermont photography video. I'm here in beautiful Peacham, Vermont, and gonna go shoot this waterfall scene underneath this covered bridge here. Visited it before about a year or two ago and got some new equipment, new conditions. It's a beautiful winterscape down there. So let's go see kind of what we can get today. Yeah, beautiful spot. Alright guys, I'm just going to fill you in. I went down to that location that I took that photo of the same spot last year with the covered bridge and the moving water. And unfortunately, because of the recent flooding that we got over the summer, a huge debris pile has formed on that bank side that I used for that composition. So until that debris kind of moves down the river, that shot's gone, unfortunately. I looked at some other options, but there's just no way to cross the river right now, and there's no other angle to get a shot of the bridge, so it's a bummer. But I walked along the shore just looking for some other stuff, and there's some really cool ice kind of ice formations right now, but the light is a little bit far gone for the day. So I'm thinking I might come back later while they have some light and shoot some ice formations because it's really pretty cool. But until then, I'm probably going to pack it up and head over to the town of Peacham, and there's a shot there for moonrise, which is in about an hour. So we're going to get over there and set up that shot. All right. We got a little walk in this field, but it sets up for a beautiful of an old red barn, church, and yeah, town of Peacham. So got a little bit till moonrise, so let's go set up our composition. Alright, so the idea with this shot is using some of the shadows on the snow here to help create some interest in that initial foreground. And obviously you have the barn and the church and Peacham. But definitely loving the long shadows in the foreground this time of year. So really trying to capture that. Yeah, just beautiful here. All right, so just slid over a little bit on the hillside to this new composition. Here we're getting a lot better separation between the church and the red barn, and it's so blue today that we're getting the White Mountains in New Hampshire in the distance. So all being said, I think this angle tells a lot better of a story here. So yeah, let's grab this shot and maybe wait a little longer for this light to change. But absolutely gorgeous here right now. Gotta love it. But yeah guys, that's kind of what I'm doing here today. Just probably gonna wrap up these last couple shots before the sun goes down. Probably won't stick out too late just because you know, it's getting pretty cold out and there's a full moon, so not sure if it's worth sticking around for any astro or not. But hope you liked the video, and yeah, it helps out a lot if you leave a comment and a like down below. Do appreciate that a lot. Thanks for watching. And yeah, if you guys have any questions, let me know. I'd be happy to answer them, especially if you're wondering about the state of Vermont. So anyway, hope you liked the video, and here are the photos. Later. So that was a much more successful trip down there today. The drone got to an angle that I couldn't on this side of the shore, and I'm not crossing in that kind of water. The drone provided a beautiful composition. Put a polarizing filter on it to kind of draw out the motion in the water a little bit. Just kind of smooth things out. I think it was a 32, ND32 polarizer for the drone. That kind of fit it just right. got me into like about a quarter second. And then, you know, the light was just hitting the new dusting and the new snowfall really, really beautifully. So got to get a couple shots of that, and yeah, it's just a much better day, and light can just do so much for you. So it's always important to come back to some of these spots. But, all right, guys, I'll toss those photos for you up there for you if you haven't seen them already. And again, thanks for watching. We'll see you next time.